Go wide!
Pressure, Red. Come on, Red. Gabby, no walking.
Come on, girl.
Yeah, that was her. She was, I was yelling about the push, and she did cross it over. Put it right in the net. Nice shot.
Is Journey on this side? Is she on the wing? Journey, you get on the wing!
Is she the other forward?
I don't know. No one else is on this side.
Yeah, that's true.
Guys, quit watching the ball.
Journey, go wide!
Corner. Good job, girls.
Journey wide, behind!
Come on, girls.
Yeah. The halftime talk must have been good.
Put it in, Chloe. Put it in, Chloe. Get a foot on it.
Maddie.
Good job.
Good job on the keeper. Watch the ball!
Turn around!
There it is.
Go back, get it!
Go, Chloe.
Go! Almost. Good hustle! Pushing that a little far up.
Go! Journey behind you. Watch her. Go!
Yeah.
That's you, Johnny.
Pop it.
Nice.
Tank.
Come on, Blue.
Hey, can I?
Get in front of her.
Yeah.
Go!
Keep the pressure on, Brad. Keep the pressure on.
There you go.
That's it. That's
Come on.
you. Nice.
Go.
Go to the ball. Come on, girls.
Yeah, she was letting.
Oh, nice job, Chloe. Nice hustle. Who's on the right side?
Would be rude to go ask our coach to.
Well, next time they go, be like, move! Go!
Harder kick. She's stopping. Oh, goalie.
Go, Journey, go!
Go, goalie.
Go!
Go through it.
Go, Nani, go. Only one wants to play. Journey's the only one playing the game. Come on, man.
Go, get it!
Look at this.
Beat her. Oh, get back.
Nice job, Journey. Keep it up, Journey. Good hustle.
They're supposed to be playing their positions. This is their side. So of course, they're going to be coming to it on this side. That's their position.
Nice job, Chloe.
Go wide, Journey, go wide!
Go.
Come on, Maria. Good. Come on,
Shoot it!